Hello everyone, it's Teacher Rosanne and
Starlettah.
yes, Rosanne and Starlettah.
Hi.
We're here because we want to make sure you know how to make friends.
Friends are very nice to have. They make life so much better.
Exactly, because this is the time when we become very happy, when we have lots of people thinking about us, looking out for us, looking after us, and sharing with us, right?
Right.
And so, the way I know how to make friends would be two ways.
Did you hear that? Easy ways.
Exactly. And do you know what these two ways are?
No?
Okay, I'll tell you.
Oh, thank you.
Well, there are two ways to make friends. One is to say,
Oh, hi.
that's right. If you greet them, hi, or
Hello.
you look very friendly, you sound very friendly, and it makes you very approachable. People will want to come near you and see what you're doing or look at what you're playing with and then possibly join you for some fun. The second way you can say hi is by...
That easy?
Yes, that easy. Okay, Starlettah's going to do it. She's going to say this.
Hi, my name is Starlettah.
That's right. All you need to do is introduce yourself so that they know how to call you, or if they want to ask you questions, they know your name. Did you notice? Every time you see me in one of the videos that I appear in, even without Starlettah, I always introduce myself. I say my name. I always say, "Hi, this is Teacher Rosanne," or "Hi, my name is Teacher Rosanne." And that way, people know your name, and people will know how to call you, and people will know how to remember you.
Excuse me.
What? Yes? No?
Are you sure? Okay. It's important also.
True. Okay. So, Starlettah has thought of something. There are other ways to make friends.
More easy ways.
Yeah. Other ways to make friends would be to share your toys. And when you share, it means you're going to let go of your toy for a few minutes. Let other people enjoy your toy. And then expect that that toy will come back to you after a short while.
Sharing is caring and fun.
Yes, that's what sharing is. You take turns with something. Or, there's another way to share.
You can divide stuff.
What does divide mean?
You can give a portion of something to someone else.
Okay. So, when you divide, that means you give a piece or a part of something like a cake or a pizza or a piece of chocolate to somebody else so that they can enjoy along with you.
You're being generous and friendly.
And don't you feel so good when you share?
Oh, absolutely.
And don't you feel so happy when people also are happy?
Happiness is contagious.
I agree. So now you know, because Teacher Rosanne and
Starlettah
shared with you how you can become friendly and how you can have more friends or meet new friends. Okay? Remember, you say hi, introduce yourself by saying your name, and share.
Say hi, say your name, and share.
That's right. Thank you for listening.
We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.